look, everyone at home watching, we only have 650 of these to go around. We're gonna talk a little bit about samurais in Japan, because there's always a connection to ancient tradition, ritual, and cultural relevancy when it comes to TATCHA skincare. But when you see the blue packaging, which you don't see on QVC that often, this is kind of a capsule collection, a very niche, targeted brand within TATCHA called Indigo, meant for the most sensitive skin, skin that needs calming and soothing. The National Eczema Association endorses the Indigo line. And if you just have overly sensitized skin from winter, get ready for your new BFF. Here's what you're getting in this collection. I'm gonna start you with, this is the hand cream, almost $40, powered by colloidal oatmeal, Indigo hand cream. Then I move you down here. This is the Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. This is the only night cream in the collection. It's a $92 value. It is fragrance-free. Women's Health recently called this one of the best night creams on the market. And then this is Indigo Cleansing Balm. And if you're confused because you don't see anything in there and you're like, I don't see anything, it looks clear and it looks weird. Yeah, I know, but that is actually a sensitive skin cleanser. When it hits water, it will turn milky. Wait till you see. Brand new today and only presentation of the whole month. Almost $170 value. The Indigo Repair Cream on its own, it's $92. We're charging you $98 for all three. Where would you like to start?
Let's go in order,
'Kay.
because I have, I want to be able to show you what the cleansing balm does to remove the makeup. So I love this because it's more of like a controlled cleanser because it's in the form of a balm. And I love that you're able to kind of target that. So I have here, you know, just a representation of some of the makeup we wear. We have long wear lipstick, we have eyeliner, we have mascara that's waterproof. I'm just going to take a little bit and I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. Do you see how easily it's melting off? Look at that.
It's gorgeous.
It's breaking everything down. And here's the thing that I love about the cleansing balm. This is customer top rated as well. You have told us that you love it. This is gonna strengthen the skin barrier. And that's something that weakens over time as we age. I have a knuckle here, a little femur bone. And the reason that's important is because the skin barrier affects everything that our skin is able to do. Whether it's holding the moisture, you know, holding on to some of the skincare line and treatments that we have. Now I'm gonna do kind of like a swipe to show you how easily that just came off.
Yeah, I mean, it's crazy.
And it's hydrating. It adds a hydration back into the skin. It has indigo extract, so it's able to give you the things
What's
that
indigo extract? Is it a plant?
It's a plant, yes, and I'm so glad you asked, Sean. The indigo field is where you're gonna see what the actual plant looks like. It's a beautiful, gorgeous, kind of like purpley blue color, and it is actually indigo. That's where the color comes from. So Japanese people, in the Edo period, samurai in particular, before they would go to war and go to battle, they would take cloth, soak it into indigo-soaked water. And they would lay it underneath their armor, on their chest, along their body, so that if they were to go to battle and get wounded, it would keep it from getting any sort of infection and making it any worse. But this is what that field looks like.
Wow.
They also still, till this day, because of the representation of what indigo is, they will take little blankets and scarves. They'll wrap newborn babies around it because it just has such a protective, healing type of symbol with that plant attached to it.
Which is so, we have fewer than 500 of these to go around. Again, $92 is the PM night cream. You're not paying pretty much for the hand cream or the cleansing balm. A $100 and almost $70 value, and brand new right now, and only being presented this month for the next 3 more minutes. You're getting it at a sale price, thanks President's Day, of $98 and change. So the cleansing balm is the first step. It's what's breaking down all the makeup. You don't need to follow with an additional cleanse after this. This is the cleanse.
Right, and I wanna show you real quick before we jump into the other items. I applied it on my hand and got rid of all the remaining makeup because you can also rinse it with water. I used a hand towel, but here's the thing, this mixes. It mixes with the cleansing balm. You don't have to worry about oily residue left on your skin. You're getting that hydration, but no excess beading, no residue, no nothing. So this cleansing balm is amazing. People love it. It's customer top rated. And when you're able to follow it up with this overnight repair cream and the hand cream, it's just like game over.
Yeah, it's game over. And here's what happened just with the cleansing balm.
Yes, so after we got a expert grader study, after 1 hour and 1 week of use, every single person demonstrated an improvement in the radiance of their skin smoothness, just using the cleansing balm, no moisturizer, no nothing. And immediately after use, every person showing no residue, extreme ease of foundation removal. Think about all the makeup that you're wearing on your skin. Novometer test, this is measuring hydration. After 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1 week, across the board, every single time, every person, improvement in moisturization. Again, no moisturizer involved. Then a tool test to show water loss. After 1 week, every person showed improvement in that skin barrier. Again, that affects the way our skin takes in stuff, how it holds hydration, all the things that helps it to function properly.
And I do want to say, if you have sensitive skin, oversensitive skin, hypermature skin, eczema skin, rosacea skin, I could go on and on. Wendy's washing her face, but I know we only have 1 minute left, so I'm going to keep moving. The night cream. This is a brand new trio. You hardly ever see Indigo, the collection, on air. The night cream is called Overnight Repair.
Correct.
Fragrance free. It is a hybrid between a serum and a moisturizer. You only use it at night. And Women's Health magazine literally calls this, there's 350 of these trios to go around, so let it be known. One of the best night creams on the market. And even the National Eczema Association endorses this whole brand.
I'm so glad that they said that, because there's so many amazing things that I don't have enough time to talk about the ingredient deck in here with the superfoods, with the indigo, all that it can do. This, look at the texture. Look how silky creamy it is.
I know.
But Sean, do you notice that as you're massaging it into your skin, it almost thickens as it's going on? It feels a little bit more masky. It feels thicker. This is a 2-in-1 serum and cream. This packs such a power punch. So what it can do in that area, in those delicate 6 to 8 hours when you're sleeping, where your body completely recovers. Imagine what can happen when you apply this to your skin. It is rich, it's decadent, it adds hydration, but it does so much more than that.
It is beautiful.
So good. It's so good.
You're only using this at night, so it will feel denser and more like a sleeping mask. It's gorgeous. It's still gelatinous feeling. It has almost like a peach undertone to it. And you're putting it all over the face. Remember, you're getting the Indigo Cleansing Balm. You can use it in the morning if you like, but I think this collection is really great for just a nighttime ritual. You're applying the $92 repair cream. Again, you're only paying $98 for all 3 pieces. So clearly the cleanser and the hand cream are free-ish. And then you can go on auto delivery if you want to lock in. That would be great, because you'll keep getting this guy for free and pretty much this guy for free. Then let's talk about the hand cream.
Yeah, so this hand cream, ooh, it's so
200
thick. I mean,
these left to go around. Oh gosh, please check out of your cart.
Look how thick this is. This is really concentrated hand cream. So you do not need a lot. You're getting a ton in this little tube right here. But for somebody like myself who's constantly washing her hands, because you have 3 little kids that are just like eating all the like my son, I took him to Starbucks today and he like licked the counter. He's like, I just licked the counter.
He licked the counter. How old is he?
He's 3.
That's nice. That's really
Don't
nice.
do that and tell me about it.
Yeah.
But I'm constantly washing my hands. Like you were picking at your lips, I pick at my cuticles. It's really bad. So I go to my manicurist. They're like, what are you doing? I need this in my life, because not only does the indigo extracts help my hands and my skin, but it hydrates everything, my knuckles, the way my hand's supposed to feel. It protects it, it seals in all the moisture, so when I go to wash it again, it's not completely like destroyed in all of that dry water.
Oh my gosh, it feels so
good.
I'm just like, fewer than like 190 of these to go around. You get 3 pieces, you're only paying for 1. Again, that's President's Day, that's a sale price, and that's a brand new, but we're not presenting this collection again this month, largely because we have like 190 left to go around. So if you want it, and you're getting free stuff in it, I would check out of your cart as we speak. Now, the Dewy Hydrate 3-piece